So, hello to the 13.9 release kickoff video of the configure group. My name is Viktor Nagy, I am the product manager, and here is with me Maria Vrachny, my product designer. And let me run quickly through our plans. We have three goals. First is what we are pursuing for some time now, maturing the agent. The top priority is still for us to roll out the agent support on gitlab.com. We are really close to it. We expect to have it done in a few weeks. There are a few issues. Some of them are on the infrastructure engineer side. Some of them are in the team itself. The second topic related to maturing the agent is around the work we do to connect CI jobs with the cluster in using an agent. This is what we call a CI tunnel. The third is UX research that I'm going to speak about later. And the third topic around around matching the agent is about deprecating around some APIs that allow deprecating and the removal of GitLab managed apps, as this will relieve us from the maintenance burden related to those parts of the product, even though they are not used widely. The second goal we have is to secure Terraform related workloads. I will speak about details later. And the third topic is to start shipping some secrets management features. But let's see the details. I already spoke about the rollout on gitlab.com, so I'm not going to speak anything more about that. Clearly, that's our number one priority. Followingly, we want to enable the GitLab side component of the GitLab Kubernetes agent, what we call CAS. We want to enable it by default in Omnibus and Helm chart based installations as well. The third item is related to the goal around securing the Terraform states. That is to add support for encryption of Terraform reports. We have seen some security issues around Terraform workloads in the past month that we have fixed already, but we want to make it even more secure by encrypting Terraform reports as well. We have a Terraform related bug scheduled to be checked and if it exists to be fixed in the milestone. And after that, we have what I mentioned, the CI tunnel setup. This is planned to be delivered in multiple iterations, and we want to ship iteration 3. And we might be able to ship iteration 4, but we just want to get started on iteration 4 actually. All together to ship the CI tunnel, we think about 5 iterations. So there's one more to come later on. The next topic is around secrets management. There's a high requested feature by one of the biggest GitLab customers to ship Vault related development. This is one of the features that we want to use to learn about secrets management code base and features, and to be one of our first features in this category. After that, we have what I mentioned around deprecating GitLab managed apps. We want to provide an API that will allow Kubernetes users to register their own Ingress, Elasticstack, Prometheus with GitLab to be used instead of one-click GitLab managed applications. Using this API, it will be made possible for us to actually remove the existing integrations, and our users can use the tools they prefer to use these applications. After that, we have the ongoing effort of supporting the GitLab Terraform provider. We usually have a few issues there, mostly driven by community. In the secrets management territory, we have another issue that we want to use as a learning opportunity for us. This is a highly requested feature around providing environment-specific variables at the group levels, not just at the project levels that we have already today. And we have 2 other UX depth issues that we want to ship. Out of this list, the ones that have a green check mark in the first column, actually the third column, are the deliverables. We have just a few of them because we want to deliver these. All the others are actually stretch goals. And now let's see what do we prepare for the following milestone for 13.10. Here's one topic for me that to present, which is the research, access, and authorization around infrastructure, especially around Kubernetes, actually. We want to research how our users map GitLab projects and groups to their cluster namespaces or various resources there, so we can provide better approach to the support with the agent. We are doing this research together with Andre, and we hope that to end the research during the next milestone, and this will drive future developments of the agent. And now it's Maria, please introduce the next items.
So the next two items are carryovers from 13.8. There is one design issue for protected Terraform state. I went through it during the last milestone kickoff video, so I will skip that. And the next item is a very small design piece of work to show a spinner in the state listing page if an action result is not instant. So following that, from a design perspective, we're also quite heavy on the agent. So from the initial explorations that we did in 13.8, for the design of the agent details page, we identified, if you could jump to the next tab, Victor, we identified that we will most likely need 4 areas, 4 tabs in the agent details page. The first one being the activity stream of the agent. So what events, actions, errors, etc. has the agent have appeared or has the agent done. The second one would be the manifest projects tab, where we will add information about the manifest projects that the agent deploys on the cluster and their components. Next one is the access tokens that the agent is using or has used to connect to GitLab, the cluster agent to the GitLab agent. And finally, a configuration tab where we will show the configuration file of the agent. So we split these issues into 4 different issues, and we prioritize with Victor the activity stream, the access tokens, and the configuration to work on 13.9. So this is the scope for the design work.
Thank you. So these are our plans for 13.9. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on Slack or in any of these issues. Thanks for your attention.